I'm on the road. I got 10 hours, 50 minutes is what GPS is saying. I'm gonna throw in a little clip. What's going on, you guys? So this is my vehicle for the trip. This happened on New Year's. You can check a video back, but we got a new tire. Literally sitting on there right now. Like I can't stick my finger up in there. So I can't really go to Arizona like that. That's kind of the before, kind of where the quarter panel was stuck to the tire, but then I ended up driving down to my ex-boss's new body shop. He had a tech pull the quarter panel off and I feel no rubbing. So I'm back on the road, just following my dude David over here. He is traveling with some of my stuff, and he also is moving out with my grandmother since they're together. And shout out to him for helping. Shout out to all the people in Colorado that I'm gonna miss. And it's just the next chapter of my life. If you guys want to see what I'm up to, just watch the vlogs because I'm gonna be in a new state. Sorry, it's kind of hard to vlog and drive at the same time, so it's gonna be more of like a cinematic. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So I'm in Trinidad, Colorado right now. Just got some gas. Check my oil. Check the tire pressure.
The roundabout to make a U-turn.
I don't know. Imagine taking such insane shit so that you like butter nice next.
I don't want to be that familiar with what my shit's texture is like.
I surprisingly don't have really any shit stories.
You're always vomiting when you drink?
Yeah.
So in Colorado, they got the 85, 87, 91, so I guess that's a little different. We're at like a, I don't know, like a gas station casino thing. And there's probably another casino over there. Yeah, it says casino and I'm getting gas. Somewhere in New Mexico, something, I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that. Hey. Alright you guys, so it's Colorado time. Usually don't drink these, but decided to grab one. And 2 more hours, 4 a.m. 5 a.m. Colorado time, so I'm a little tired, but we will make it. And I will see you guys in Arizona. This is Arizona, but see you guys in my house. What's good, you guys? So this is my room. Of course, I'm gonna be like moving stuff around just because this is how my mom set it up. But just want to let you guys know, got to Arizona, got like my necessities, you know, just shoes and camera bag and whatever I could fit in my car. And then tomorrow we're gonna unload the trailer and make sure to film that. Set up my desk over here. Got a big pile of stuff, kind of figuring out where everything's going. But just happy that I've finally started sorting through all my things. Kind of nice and refreshing. But yeah, still gotta wall mount that. Just trying to figure out where pictures are going. That receiver right there, trying to figure out where that's going. But yeah, I'm really tired. It's been a long day. We out here. It's kind of cool because I could vlog in this mirror, right? Whatever. But yeah, I got a lot of work.